Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. This one on the side. Press it. My kids can help me retract it. Press it down. Measure like this, and then you snap this in the receptacle. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Renpho Smart Scale and Renpho Smart Body Tape Measure. My daughter broke my weighing scale, as you can see, so I had to get another one. So this is what after reading reviews on Amazon, this is what I got. There's the weighing scale. If you'll see better if I don't have a flash. So compared to my old one, it's pretty small. It's smaller than my old one. So it comes with this warranty card. I don't know why it came with two, but that's their warranty card. Comes with two AAA batteries. This one came with a C32 something, like a smaller battery. This one came with this battery, CR2032, and this one comes with a AAA. And then there's the quick start guide, and I'll show you the app, how to install the app and pair it. And I'll show you the smart tape measure and how this pairs with their app. This is the Renpho Smart Body Tape Measure. If you haven't heard about it, it's a tape measure that just snaps to the part of the body that you want to measure, and it automatically records it in their app, the Renpho app. Let's remove here's the Renpho tape measure. It comes with a battery. Comes with the same battery as this one, 2032. And then it comes with a manual. So first I'm going to install the batteries. I'm going to remove the thing so you can see. I just attach the thing to the receptacle. So you gotta push it. So I'm using my other hand, so you gotta push it in. So you gotta push it all the way in, and then I'm gonna press the check button. Oh, what happened here? I keep on turning off. Here's the Renpho Smart Tape Measure, and I'm gonna be demonstrating on how to use the adjustment and settings. First you turn it on, and then there's a line there and a circle button, and you just press this to choose between line and circumference. So press the mode button to measure a line. See, it's a line, and then long press to measure circumference, long press to measure a line, and then to choose between inches and centimeters, just short press cm and inches. And then at the very back you can see, at the very top right corner is the Bluetooth button. So let's try to measure the length of this weighing scale. That's the length of the weighing scale. You can adjust it using this button. Look at this. If I do this, it's gonna snap back. And then, so that's the exact measurement. And then we got, oh, this one is in inches, 9.91 inches. So to confirm it, just short press this one. I don't have the app open yet, but I'll show it to you later. So it's 9.91, and let's try to measure the circumference of this cup. So let's long press, and then to clear, we gotta long press this one. Okay, measure like this, and then you snap. This is the receptacle. You should hear a snap when it's inside the receptacle. So press the adjust button. This one is the adjust button, so it measures accurately. Why is not measuring? Weird. That one didn't measure correctly because it wasn't snapped properly. So you gotta make sure that it's snapped properly inside the receptacle. So let's try again. Now let's try measuring again. Press the adjust button. So now it has a measurement. It says 9.33 inches. So to record that, just press the check button, and it's gonna send it to the app. So let's try measuring it manually using the line if it's accurate. So it's 9.33. Let's compare it. Also, there's a little bit discrepancy, but I don't know which is the wider part of the cup too. So it's probably the same. Let's try a more accurate one. Let's try this box. So this box, it's more accurate because it's fixed. It's not moving like this one. It's not like the base is smaller and the mouth is wider. So let's measure this box. This one on the side. Press it. My kid's gonna help me retract it. Press it down. Anyway, press it down like this.
Okay.
Hurry up, Naomi. Press it harder. I pressed it all the way, and the measurement is 5.88. Okay, let's try it with my daughter's hand. She wants to try it. It works. Just snap the retractable. You snap this thing into the receptacle. Make sure it's locked, so it measures right, and then let's press the retract button. This button. So let me see one. So her wrist is 5.7 inches, 5.07 inches. So now we're gonna be doing the measuring. We're gonna try out the weighing scale. So it's
Mom, can I try? Mama, I want to try the one.
so I'm gonna try to pair this with my app along with the Renpho tape measure. So let's try it. The app was what happened was I stepped on the scale. I stepped on the scale, and then it just started pairing it, and then you just step on the scale, and then this one records the scale along with your BMI. It's pretty cool. So just step on the scale. When it makes a sound, like a sound that it's your exact weight. So it's pretty easy. And here's the instruction. It says tap on the device management and step under the scale and keep standing on the scale for 5 to 10 seconds, and then try it, Yumi. So my daughter steps on the scale. You step it all together, Yumi. You step it together. She steps on the scale, and then it records it, and then that appears on the app, and it makes a sound. And here's the recalibration instruction. If the scale has been moved or turned upside down, it must be calibrated to ensure accurate results. Say, like, move, Yumi. So it says here, step 1 foot to wake the scale up, and then when the monitor shows step off, just have to turn into 0. So let's try connecting the. So now let's try to connect the Renpho tape measure. Let's try to connect this to the app. Okay, so here's the instruction on how to pair your app with a smart tape measure. So let me show you that in a video screen recording. See that the instructions are really easy. It automatically connected through Bluetooth without a problem, and yeah, it was a really cool feature. It just snaps right. It snaps right in your arm, and then you just press the check button, and you're gonna see it in your app. So I like it so far. I don't know if this is sturdy or it's gonna last long, but for now it's a really good pair to get. The Renpho tape measure and the Renpho smart scale. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.